Hey there planner friends, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys my January subscription box from Jane's Agenda. It just came yesterday and I actually opened it, unboxed it, thought I was filming this entire video, and then lo and behold, it stopped after 17 seconds. So I am back, going to refilm it for you because it's too fun to not share. If you're new to my channel, welcome, so happy to have you here. Would love for you to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more. And this channel is Beloved Plans, and it is a channel for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So glad you're here. Let's get started. Okay, so I did take it out of the packaging that it was in when it came, but I'm gonna pretend as if I haven't seen it all yet and do my best to share it all with the same enthusiasm as I did when I first opened it. So we'll take everything out here. All right, so first things first, we do have our little January box tour card, and this tells us all of the things that are in here. So there's 13 items this month, and it also doubles as a quote card too, which is really cute. I always love the quote cards that they put in these. So first up we have a dark gray mild liner pen. This has a bold chiseled tip at one end and a fine tip at the other. I really love mild liners. I use them in my budgeting, so it's awesome to have extra mild liners laying around so I can have them in multiple places. Next up we have some marble sticky notes. These are absolutely stunning. I am obsessed with all things marble, so this is right up my alley, and I think I'm going to bring these to work so I can use them there at my office. Next up we have these beautiful little rose clips. Every month there's been these really awesome paper clips in every box, and they aren't, you know, super over the top. They're just really like nice and minimal and pretty and simple, and this is no exception to have these rose ones. So beautiful. There's white and one is black. Then we also have 3 quote cards here. We have one that says, "Excuse me while I succeed," "Grow with the flow," and "Make time for planning. Wars are won in the general's tent." Love that. I love using these on my dashboard, and I will usually washi tape them down, or I'll use one of those clips and clip it to the top of my divider or dashboard or whatever I have in my planner so that I can keep it in front of me. Next up is this square adhesive pocket. So this is just a big pocket that you could put things in. You could put clips in there, you could put quote cards in there, and then it's adhesive here on the back. So you could put this right in your planner on the cover, or in the back cover, or on your dashboard. There's so many different uses you could use for these. So I'm gonna really have to think where I wanna use this to get the most use out of it. All right, and then next up we have the finance inserts. We're all in like beautiful pages and everything, or I'm sorry, beautiful clear bags. There we go. All right, so next up we have the finance inserts. I have a nice quote page to start here. I do love how they have the instructions on how to use these pages in case you're new to doing any budget tracking. There is a bill tracker, sinking funds and long-term savings tracker, a debt tracker, and then there is also all these blank month pages. So I believe there's 12 of those. They're undated, which is awesome so that you guys can use them whenever you want. And then there's also a monthly financial audit. So this is like kind of more of an overview type of thing, not exactly like expense tracking every single transaction, but you can do more general stuff in here. So you could use the month to plan out your bills, that sort of thing. So there's a bunch of those. And then once we get past all of those, at the end there is a review page, so you can review your year end. There's a column for every month, and so then you can put in all your specifics for your finances, and then the second half of the year is back here. Calculate all that. So I really love that. If you're new to budgeting, this is a great place to start with these finance inserts. All right, next up we have the goals inserts. This is really cool. So this is the SMART goals on here. So if you're not familiar with those it's a goal planning tool that you can use to when you're mapping out your goals to make sure that they're achievable. So that's all listed out in here. And then again, how to use the goal worksheets. So there's a long-term goal page. You can break it up into different phases with different tasks. And then on the back, there's just dot grid paper. So there's a bunch of those, which is awesome. Really cool. Love that. It's so versatile also. All right, the next up we have this beautiful vellum, "Never look back, darling, it distracts from the now" quote. I'd call this a divider or a dash, yeah, a divider. So then it also came with all of these beautiful tabbed monthly dividers. So they have numbers on them, 1 through 12, which is kind of nice because like maybe you don't necessarily want it to be January through December. Maybe you want it, you know, maybe you do your fiscal year a different way or something, or you just want numbered tabs. Well, here they are. And this is absolutely beautiful over each one of these dividers. So you could lay it on top of any of these, and it is so, so beautiful. Of course, I love this marble one. So yeah, so I love that those are included. One of my favorite things about this box is that it's always different. It's never redundant of all the months I've been getting it, and it just is always beautiful, beautiful, really high quality stuff. And last but not least is the passwords booklet. This is really slick. I could see keeping this like in your office desk at work or something, and if you have a lot of accounts that you log into, or like my kids are starting to have accounts for things and they can never ever remember their passwords. So I can see me writing their accounts in here, their usernames and passwords, because I use like an app that memorizes it all in my browsers, but they aren't that sophisticated yet, so I need to keep track of it for them. So I think that's what I'm going to use this little booklet for. So that is what was in this month's Jane's Agenda subscription box. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Once again, does not ever disappoint. If you guys have not checked it out and would like to, you can sign up for the subscription box before it closes for the February box. They gave a little sneak peek of what's coming, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so, so excited for the February box. You can also shop through the link in the description below and save 15% on your order through my affiliate link. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.